The telecommunications bid was supposed to save the government about $2 million. The rates were going to go down and we would have a $2 million savings. Well, it's been now 15 months since the bid was announced, and it's been in protest for that long, so we've lost over $2 million.
Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz is trying to get to the root of the issue with the government of Guam's telecommunications contract. Savings from the contract awarded to Pacific Data Systems last year were supposed to fund specialty pay for the island's firefighters. But GTA Teleguam protested the contract, taking the issue to court and potentially costing the government millions of dollars in lost savings. Cruz's Committee on General Government Operations is holding a roundtable discussion on the bid award this evening. It is the first of a series of hearings the Vice Speaker plans to hold on government procurement.
We as a citizenry, we're the ones that are paying. We're losing the $2 million in the telecommunications. The children are suffering in the schools because their air conditioners are down, or in the past, I became interested in procurement when the children's lunch was going to be withheld because of a procurement problem.
Cruz says the government could do a better job planning the requests for proposals to make sure the RFPs are announced correctly, awarded fairly, and to ensure that the winning bidder is ready to provide the services requested. But he says businesses also should take responsibility for their actions, noting that DFS has promised to pay $10.9 million until their protest is resolved.
I think the DFS example today was a perfect example that people understand that we're going to lose money as a government or as an agency, and that if you realize that there's going to be a savings that the government's going to lose as a result of the protest, then file them like in condemnation. Put some money down at the court in a trust account, and if you lose, then the government gets that money. If you win, you take that money and go home, and you have your contract on top of it.